Growing a YouTube channel in 2019 is probably one of the hardest things you guys can do online, and I'm going to be showing you guys some methods to help you grow your channel faster. So I've been YouTubing about 2 years now, and my first year I struggled. I think I might have just brought in over 100 subs in a year of posting content and trying to grow on YouTube. At least I thought that's what I was trying to do, and I struggled really hard to break through the barriers that was stopping me from growing. And now after my second year, I bring in around 100 a month, which to some people isn't that great, but for where I was and how far I've come and the things I've learned from that, I think I can help you guys with the learning experience that I got from that experience to help you guys grow a little bit faster and break through those barriers. So the first thing I want to talk about to help you guys grow your YouTube channel is something that I find a lot of people are doing is not starting. It's actually crazy, and I know that's not like a big deal to some of you guys. Some of you guys already have your channel, and that's great. But starting a YouTube channel, making that decision, actually uploading videos is the first thing you guys need to start doing. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about quality and all that yet. But just actually starting it. You need to plan. It's so important to plan, but don't plan so much that you're never ever actually starting. You're too busy planning and looking and watching videos. Actually just start and learn through your experience. So starting your channel really requires you guys to get some channel art, and that includes your logo and your banner. I'm not going to go into too in depth with that, but it should have a logo from your business or a picture of yourself and really promote what you're doing. And it should kind of say, like, show what you're doing and what kind of content you're providing and make people want to click on your videos. Just remember, this is the first thing they are seeing, so it's super important. And next is your channel trailer. Channel trailer should be developed over time and probably modified over time as you grow and become a more niche type of content creator. Last but not least in this category is your bio. You need to tell people what your channel is about. It's super important having some keywords in your bio. We'll talk about keywords in a minute, but super important to have that. The second thing I want to talk about is providing value. This is a huge component to growth. If you want to grow, you need to provide value. If you just want to post videos and not provide value, you will never grow. You need to provide value, especially as a beginner. What do I mean by providing value? I'm going to go over this very quickly. It needs to be evergreen content, and if you don't know what that is, it's pretty much content that will last generations over generations. How to provide value the easiest? They say, oh, be entertaining, and do this and do that. A lot of people have their suggestions, and they're great. They're super important. But if you really want to provide value and grow on YouTube, the best way you guys can do that is by answering questions. And how we do this on YouTube, you'll see all the time, is how-to videos. How to grow your YouTube channel in 2019, or what is the tallest building in Canada, or something like this where you're answering a question. There's all kinds of things. How, what, where, why. All these things where you're answering questions, they always come with value because they have a demand and they clicked on that title because of that. And you're going to provide that. So there's value already there. So how-to videos, guides, tutorials, all these are great for growing. Your first tutorial might not be that great, but if you continue making tutorials and guides and how-tos, I guarantee you guys, you will grow because you are providing valuable content. Before I get on to the third thing, I want to talk to you guys about something super important. You guys need to watch the rest of this video, because if you don't, you're missing some of the key components, especially the next few things I'm going to talk about. This is what really actually made me grow. The third thing I'd like to talk about is quality versus quantity. Quantity versus quality. And you need to find a balance of these. And a lot of people are very focused on the production value, the quality of the content, how many megapixels you have on your camera and what your audio sounds. And this is important. But on YouTube, to grow, you need quantity. If you don't have quantity, quality doesn't matter because people are going to forget you. You need to be uploading at least 1 time a week minimum now to be on YouTube. And honestly, it's really pushing to 2 to 3 times a week if you're not streaming or something like that. So definitely think about quantity. Make decent quality videos, and I'm going to give you an outline for 2019 for the quality right now. You need to at least have 1080p video unless you're streaming. But if it's like an actual video, 1080p is is the minimum now. Like 4K and stuff, we're pushing 1080p is almost going to be out the door soon. So 1080p minimum. 30 frames is okay for, you know, content like this where it's the actual camera, but anything fast moving like NASCAR or maybe gaming, you need 60 frames per second. I'm sorry. It's just, it's time. It's 2019. Like if you're going to be developing content, you need that. And then audio, you want around 320 kilobits per second for when you're using your bit rate for your audio, and a decent microphone. Right now I'm using my camera and my mic on my phone, so a lot of newer phones have great cameras, great mics, and you can use something like the Blue Snow. Wow, so sorry guys. Anyways, you can use something, right now I'm using my camera on my phone and my microphone on my phone. A lot of phones have great mics and cameras on them nowadays, so look into your phone. Maybe that's something you can use. But if you have money, I definitely recommend getting something like a Blue Snowball. When it's efficient to use, the sound quality is there. So sound quality is super important. Just remember guys, quantity over quantity. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for that, but it's super important if you're looking to grow on YouTube. Next, we're going to talk about thumbnails. Thumbnails are super important. They need to be clickbaity. I'm going to go over this real quick. Clickbaity, have good fonts. You can get good fonts, bold, nice, sharp-looking fonts from dafont.com. They'll be down in the description box below, the link to there. And you can download them and use them on your thumbnails very easily. Also, when looking at thumbnails, you need to make it stand out. Brand it, put a logo on it every time, or make a series and have the thumbnails look somewhat similar, so you have that kind of theme. When someone sees a thumbnail that looks similar, they're like, oh, okay, I know that's that series. So have it branded towards your channel, so it has a specific look to your channel. And just a reminder, when I say clickbaity, I don't mean lying about the content you're providing. I mean, have arrows, make it look like, oh wow, I need more of that. Like that's exactly what I'm looking for. Make it look really good. So number 5 we're going to talk about is SEO, and this stands for search engine optimization. If you're not doing this, you're not doing YouTube. If you don't understand this, you don't understand YouTube. You need to be able to get into the algorithm on YouTube. If you don't do this, your videos will not get viewed. You need to SEO your title, your tags, your description, and just about everything else. So what you're going to want to do is download something called TubeBuddy. It's completely free. I'll put the link in the description box below. And this will let you use a keyword planner on their tool there that you get on the extension, and use this keyword planner to find things that people are searching up for that will be high in their search ranking. So you want to do this for your title, and usually you type something like how to grow, and then it'll be like, oh, YouTube, plants, whatever, and then it will tell you better suggestions, more specific titles that people are actually searching for, and that will rank high based on your channel, the search volume, and your competitors. You always want to put your title in your tags and words, keywords from that title like rank or how to in your tags box, and also have that stuff in your description box as well. So when you're typing out your description, try to fit your title in there and some of the keywords in there. It's super important to help you rank in the search rankings on YouTube. This will help you guys grow substantially. Number 6 is super important, and if you want to make it now, especially in 2019, you guys have to do the extras. This includes screen cards, end screen cards, which will let people see your content after the video, and cards, which pop up at the top of the screen, letting people know, hey, check out this video that I just did on how to get building medals in Apex Legends, for example. This will help people click on your content and keep going through your content, especially if they like it. So definitely you need to be doing this to optimize your content to let people watch it. Number 7 is networking. This means collaborating with other YouTubers, but most importantly, something that I slacked on was social media. You need to have your Instagram, your Facebook, and your Twitter at least, minimum, and then maybe progress to something like a Snapchat once you got those done. And also, last side note that will really help you guys grow is Reddit. If you can get lots of karma in Reddit, you guys can actually post your videos on there and get lots of hits. Some of them will even go viral if it's good enough content. Number 9 is your analytics. You need to be looking at your demographics. So who are you speaking to? Are you speaking to little kids? Are you speaking to grown adults? Are you speaking to elderly people? Are they male? Are they female? Where are they from? Are they from Canada? Are they from USA? Shout out to USA. Are they from UK? Shout out to UK. And you can see, like, I know to these people, I know that USA and United Kingdom are my 2 biggest viewerships, and that's super important because I know who I'm talking to, and that's super important for you guys to know who you're speaking to, who's your age demographic. I know most people that watch my videos are males. It's just super important to know this stuff, especially when you're keeping in mind how you're designing the content. Watch time is super big on YouTube, and here's that super big tip I was telling you guys about. I was going to show you if you stuck around. Watch time is one of the hardest things to get on YouTube, especially if you have bad audience retention. So getting your audience retention is super important. But if you want to cheat your watch time, and you're not cheating, you're just using a different method to get it, is streaming. Live streaming, whether it be on a gaming channel or on a makeup channel or on some health channel or any other kind of channel, if you live stream and get viewers, even 10 viewers, and host them for 4 hours, you're getting tons of watch time on your channel. This will help you get monetized really fast and grow really fast. Definitely consider using streaming to increase your watch time. Look at your views. What videos are getting views? What videos are getting longer audience retention? What did you do to make them stay? What did you do to make them leave? Super important. Click-through rate will tell you what thumbnails are kind of working and what titles are working. So definitely consider looking at some of your videos that aren't performing well, and maybe it's your thumbnail. And likes and comments. Why did they like? Why did they comment? Did you ask them a question? Like, hey, what is your YouTube channel going to be about? Tell me in the description box below. Stuff like this will really help increase engagement on your video. Number 9, take some money from the YouTube, invest it in better equipment, better camera, better webcam, better lighting, better microphone, maybe a green screen, better equipment in your PC to help you render videos faster. Any of these things will help you guys grow your YouTube channel fast. And then take some of that money and invest it in promoting your YouTube channel. Maybe this is promoting on YouTube itself, but I highly recommend promoting on Instagram and promoting on Facebook. These are really good places and platforms to promote your channel to help you grow, get some more exposure, and help you grow. And number 10, last tip is rinse, wash, and repeat, and learn from the things you did wrong and learn from the things you did right. Just keep doing it over and over again and try to better and better improve. Add extra little details. Do that a bit extra every time. And eventually, I promise you guys, if you continue with consistent workflow on a consistent basis, posting videos 2 times a week, every week, you will grow. You have my word. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video or found the video helpful, let me know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching.